My name is Prajay Parmar. I'm on the course of Design for Industry at Northumbria University. The aim of the Global Studio I thought was to collaborate between other people on your team and to collaborate with people externally and to exchange information between each other in a seamless manner. Within the space, it allowed us to exchange the information a lot more seamlessly so that people kept up to date with each other, and in a way we knew what other people were working on so that we could move the whole project along faster and more smoothly than just contacting through emails and phone calls. The tools that we used was Clone, which really was to set our identity for other people, to know who was who within the group and contact information. Other tools we used was things like Dropbox, which allowed us to have shared folders on everyone's computer, and that allowed us to network between each other, and when we put work on it, that work was instantly updated on everyone else's computers, so everyone was kept up to speed and was able to get the latest information, latest projects without having to call people up.
What about like WordPress and Skype?
Yeah, we use WordPress for blogging and also to critique each other's work, so that we also knew what we could do to improve upon our work, so that we kept up to date as well. And Skype we used to call people so that we could have face-to-face conversations for free, which was really quite helpful. You know, you could put names to faces, and you built up more greater relationships with each other. With doing things like the Global Studio, it allowed us to send work to each other and to other people that you might not get to see, so that people kept up to date, like I said, but it also allowed for greater understanding at times where you could share work on screens and other people somewhere else can see the same thing that you're looking at, so you can talk through projects lots and see things. What I found personally was that it was quite dull, and in the way that the navigation was really hard to understand. It was just like blunt text which didn't read easily. The whole website for me didn't flow, and say things like WordPress where you've got colour to break different areas up, you've got different fonts which can aid navigation, and it just seemed like there's more thought into the way that you use it to navigate through the whole website, which led the whole experience to be a lot smoother, and it was easier to like tell people how to use it, if that makes sense, because it's just more simple. The differences, like I said, was it was more to do with greater navigation. It seemed to be more clear and step by step instead of just there, and the breakup of areas and information just seemed a lot seamless. No, I prefer to use WordPress more than it allowed me to understand collaboration, keeping informing people about things. So things I learned from work from Clone was to break down your information a lot easier for other people to understand, because you may understand it, but you've got to think about someone else from somewhere else who you can't probably speak face to face or show you things. And that led to us creating a greater identity on WordPress and allowed more easier navigation. Probably to have workshop sessions with using it, like crash courses in a way. What we did when we did start, it was a great learning curve to try, because we've never done collaborative projects in working with, in my group we had about 6 people, and some of them were from different courses, where normal projects that we do would be about 2-3 people. Hence, you're having to diverge work to other people and not think it's all your own work. You have to make sure you managed and negotiated with a lot of people, which was pretty helpful learning WordPress. I'm still using Dropbox between people in my course and between friends because it's so easy. It's even just dropping files to instead of using emails, drop files. You can edit a file and automatically edit it on someone else's set stuff off. I use Skype to contact people because it's brilliant. I like to see people's faces instead of on the phone. I may use WordPress again in the future, but I haven't had a need at the moment to have it because of the types of projects that we're doing. I doubt I use it. I think the best thing that it's done is to learn how to do time management and negotiating with people and trying to communicate what I'm trying to say more effectively to other people so that they can understand what I'm trying to get across through things like making PDFs or making them really obvious what I'm trying to say out to people.
What about the international aspects of the projects?
Yes, that was a really good aspect of it. And like I said, having sending PDFs and making them really easy to read and quite seamless so that you can talk to people about it using Skype and WordPress and making sure that the files are there on time and that they're in really easy to find places so that you're not having to explain constantly oh, it should be this one, that everything should be more seamless and forward.